In this video, we will go over the steps required to start an LLC in the state of New Hampshire. The first step required to form an LLC in any state is choosing a name for your LLC. Make sure that the name you wish to use isn't already being used by someone else. By clicking on Name Search here, you can search all registered names in New Hampshire. Next, you need to nominate a registered agent for your LLC. The registered agent will receive all official correspondence for the LLC and must have a physical address in New Hampshire. In New Hampshire, an LLC may not act as its own agent. We recommend using a registered agent service, such as the one provided here. Click here to learn more about registered agents. You'll also need to file the Articles of Organization. Here's the form you will need to fill out and mail to this address along with the appropriate fee. Though not a requirement in New Hampshire, we strongly suggest you have an operating agreement for your LLC, especially if you have multiple members. Click here to download our free sample operating agreement. After filing your LLC, you will need to acquire an EIN, an Employment Identification Number. The EIN is used to identify a business entity for tax purposes and can be considered a social security number for the company. It's provided by the IRS free of charge. You can apply for an EIN online here. You may also print out this form and mail it in or apply by phone. Once you have the EIN, you will need to file for state tax registration. Click here to determine your state's tax obligation. Depending on the type of business you are starting, you may also need to get the appropriate licenses and permits. The U.S. Small Business Administration provides a free, comprehensive guide for helping businesses find the required federal, state, and local licenses and permits. When you have formed your LLC and you wish to hire employees, there are certain obligations you will need to meet. These include verifying the eligibility of the potential employee to work in the U.S., withholding income taxes, and providing workers' compensation. Click here for more detailed information on employee requirements. This concludes our tutorial. We wish you the best in your LLC formation endeavor.